You're the architect of your future. Believe it, work on it, and make it happen. Why do you lie to yourself? Didn't you dream about having academic comeback? Haven't you wanted to work on your body? Didn't you commit on New Year's Day to learn a new skill? But always procrastinate and say, I have time. No, you don't. Do not keep yourself in illusion just because you can't see the truth. Or maybe you know you're not doing what you wanted, but you're scared to confront yourself in the mirror. You fear that you'll lose trust within yourself, that again you haven't achieved what you promised. I'm sure you don't sleep peacefully either, thinking about the goals and the question of what if must be haunting you. But to escape that, you're imagining your goals. What if I consistently work hard? What if I didn't left my work for tomorrow? What if I wasn't dreaming and this was my reality? You want to start again, but your confidence has shattered because you know you have always promised but never kept yourself accountable. You made your dream more harder to achieve because you've lost the trust in yourself. What seems like an easy task turned into a challenging battle. But remember, it's never too late to start if you want. Give yourself another chance. You don't have to start perfect. You just have to start and be consistent. You know what we assume is what energy and motivation we have on first day is gonna be there all our journey. It's not gonna happen. The graph will always go up and down. Some days you'll study hard and some days you would feel like burned out, not studying at all. And it's completely normal. The only thing you have to keep in mind is to not quit. Let go of the perfectionist study routine that you'll start from first day of next month or you'll start in a certain time. You're the architect of your future. It's in your hands. You can decide what you want and you can make it happen. Yes, you can and you will. Start over again. Fail, but never give up. Show your destiny. What's meant to be written is by you. You know what you're capable of once you're determined. So it's time to unlock your potential and rise. There's no looking back. Burn the camouflage of self-doubt you're wearing and let your success shine through, because this is not how your story ends unless you make your dream the reality.